the ultimate shrimp lo mein. Your eyes are not deceiving you at this moment. What you see is what you get. And what we have here is a awesome, oh so delicious recipe, jam-packed with flavors left, right, up, down, all over the place, baby. And you're probably wondering, who the heck is this? It is Jay of Whip It Up with Jay, and I'm here on Island Vibe Cooking because Rose is a little under the weather with the flu. She has lost her voice, but I'm here to provide you guys with the voiceover. But she did cook this awesome recipe right here. So these are all the ingredients that we will be working with. Don't worry, everything will be listed down in the description box for you to follow along and make this awesome recipe for you and your family. Alright, so you want to go ahead and get a pot of water to a rolling boil. What she did was add in a little bit of chicken bouillon as well as some salt to flavor up that water when we boil up that pasta. So once you have it to a rolling boil and you have that in there, go ahead and drop your pasta in, and you want to cook it till it's about al dente. Then you want to drain it and remove it from the heat as we move on to the next step. And the timing for al dente is usually right on the box. Takes about 10 minutes or so here and there, but again, refer to the directions on the packaging. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna get that sauce together for this amazing recipe. And again, everything will be listed down in the description box as far as the exact measurement, so it'll be right there for you to refer to. But we have oyster sauce, we have soy sauce, we have honey, we have rice wine vinegar, we have hoisin sauce, and sesame seed oil. Go ahead and get that all together and give it a mix. So go ahead and let Rose know down in the comments, would you like to see a little bit more of Whip It Up with Jay? Do you love my voiceovers or do you hate them? Let me know in the comment section below. So Rose is just about done whipping up that sauce, and she has her wok to about a medium to medium high. You could use a pan if that's what you have on hand. And she did drop in some avocado oil, and we are gonna drop that shrimp right on in. This shrimp is peeled and deveined, of course. She also sprinkled a little bit of salt and pepper on these bad boys because you know we ain't doing nothing bland over here whatsoever at all. And you want to go ahead and toss your shrimp and let them go for about 4 to 5 minutes or so. And once that time is up, go ahead and remove them from the pan as we move on to the next step. Now that we have the shrimp removed, we are gonna drop in some minced garlic as well as some minced ginger. Oh my goodness, that adds such a wonderful flavor to this recipe right here. And we are gonna drop our veggies in as well. We have some broccoli, we have a trio of bell peppers, we have onion. Oh my goodness, so many awesome flavors, carrots, all of that goodness. And whatever else veggies you have on hand, go ahead and toss them in the pan as well. Come on now. So go ahead and saute those veggies for about 6 to 7 minutes. Once that time is up, we're gonna move on to the next step of this recipe. Oh, I cannot wait. So here she is adding in some chopped green onion. We are also reintroducing that yummy cooked shrimp to the equation, and we cannot forget that amazing sauce. Get that in the pan and give it a mix. All right, once we have everything combined, we cannot forget about that pasta, baby. We can't forget about that pasta. So grab your drain pasta and get it in this party as well. Get it in the pan, all right? And once we have everything here, you know what I'm saying? Give it one final mix. We got to get all these flavors communicating with one another, all right? We have to get them acquainted. You know what I mean? So give it a mix, garnish with some sesame seeds or whatever you have on hand, and wow, wow, and wow. Do you have a 5-star dish on your hand or what? Come on now, stop playing with me. Come on now, this is straight pressure, all right? Straight pressure, baby. Oh my. I'm talking flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. This is it right here, right in front of your eyes. This is it, and I cannot wait for you to try this on your own. Once you do, come back in the comments and let us know how'd you love it. You know what I mean? Straight up. So I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video today, and I will see you all on the next one. Deuces, and we cannot forget, get well soon to Rose.